We were motoring all the night. We had some adventure in the meantime. We didn't know what is the level of the fuel, but we have two additional tanks of the fuel in here in the locker. So just in case, we knew that we could put some fuel. We don't have fuel level indicator, but you can just look directly at the tank and see that we still have a full tank after whole the night of motoring. So we also had a problem with the extensive smoke from the exhaust. It is quite okay right now, but if you put a little bit more power, then you can see a lot of smoke and dark things coming up of the exhaust. So we are the first one in the queue for the bridge to open. The queue is up here, so everybody's waiting. Apparently some people think that they don't need to stay in the queue, so the guy decided to bypass everybody. Not cool, not cool. We are approaching the crane and we're preparing to be lifted. That's when we found some problems. We have a problem. We are sinking the water. So first I noticed we have some water over here, and I found out that we have a water over here. I dried it out already. There is still some water just because main tank is here. So when we were motoring, I had this terrible smoke from the engine, and I opened up the engine room, and that's what I found here. So there was a terrible stink from this lazarette over here, or the locker. The valve doesn't work very well. Moreover, Marina didn't allow me to sandblast because of high season, so this is why I needed to scrub everything with my hand. I found also some more problems, and I'll show you in the next videos how did I fix it.